Your lesson essential question is, how does the position of a digit help you name its value? So today we'll be looking at the position of digits in naming their value. The place value chart's going to be very helpful when we do this. What is the value of each digit in 354? So we're looking at the number 354, and we want to know the value of each digit in that number. We can build the number with place value blocks. So I see in my hundreds place, I have 3 hundreds. 1, 2, 3. I see in my tens place, I have 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In my ones place, I have 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 hundreds is the same as 300. 5 tens is the same as 50. 4 ones is the same as 4. So the value of the 3 is 300. The value of the 5 is 50. And the value of the 4 is 4 ones, so 4. 354.